Last time you saw us, we were in India heading towards Nepal.
Sadly in June my dad got ill, so I flew back to the UK to see him, and Chris came and joined me in July.
We did some fun things with day trips away.
Mammals!
Look at all the sunflowers.
And look at all the sunflowers. It's pretty.
This is why Wales is green, because it rains.
Hello, we're wet.
Newport! Carningus, on the top of Newport in Pembrokeshire, South Wales. Fishguard! The last invasion of Britain by the French
was thwarted by,
The lady.
The last invasion of Britain by the French
was defeated
By the ladies.
of Old Fishguard Harbour.
Legend had it that the Welshmen were all out fishing when the French invaded.
The ladies in their traditional costume got pitchforks and surrounded the French.
In September my lovely daddy died. I'm so lucky that I got to spend the time with him, but that's why we've been largely offline.
So we're now back in the Northern Hemisphere winter and we're getting our travels back on track.
We've brought a camper van. So our plan is to spend about a month in the UK before heading to Europe, broadly east and south, where we're hoping it's going to be a bit warmer and cheaper.
And we'll be keeping you updated every week.